Something big is coming to Pi Network, and it might involve artificial intelligence. Why was Pi Network co-founder Nicolas Kokkalis speaking at a Generative AI panel during Consensus 2025? What does Gen AI have to do with our Pi ecosystem? If you visit your Pi app homepage, you can see here the announcement. Here is the exact text. So how is Gen AI related to Pi Network? Why did one of two Pi founders, Nicolas Kokkalis, participate in the Gen AI panel at Consensus 2025? Answer on Pi today. If you remember last May, Pi Network was one of the sponsors of Consensus 2025, and also Kokkalis didn't just show up, he dropped clues. He was one of the speakers of the event. Subtle hints that Gen AI could enhance Pi Network future. But how? Faster KYC, smarter Pi apps, maybe even a Web3 AI super app in development. Here is a clip of Nicolas Kokkalis speaking about AI and Pi in the Consensus 2025. If Gen AI released that secret weapon, are you ready for it? Let me know your wildest theories in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my Pi 2-day breakdown.